guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review and also what fits in this beautiful Coach Ergo bag. So this one is in a size medium, so you guys could see right here, and this one is in color azure with the brass hardware. So this particular piece didn't have much hardware in it, just right here at the buckle, and also this actually here, this holes in here where you could adjust it. Take this one out and then you could just adjust the strap. It's very nice. And also in this corner right here where is the hang tag, where you hook the hang tag, and then the zip closure right here. There is a brass hardware as well. The teeth are also in brass as well. And then, yeah, nothing much. I like that this one looks very simple yet very elegant as well. And as you guys could see, this purse is structured. So you could just lay it right there on the table, just like that, and stand on its own. The bottom part of it, it's more likely has this square shape in it, so that actually helps the structure of the bag. This one has more likely a burnish color, as you guys can see right here. This part is more likely in a brighter azure, and then on the side of it, right this side, it started to get a little bit darker. So the burnish color is actually a nice color. It actually has added a lot more beauty on this piece right here. So this one is made up of, what did they, oh, I always miss this part right here. Made up of a genuine Glove-Tan leather right here. Usually they put it at the bottom, but this one I didn't even realize it's right here at the handle. Okay, so pretty much the stitching on this is more likely in a white color, which is nice, guys, because it seems to look like has a very nice contrast to it. So on the inside, let's take a look. So the inside has a jacquard lining on the inside, which is more likely in the cream color, a combination of, let me see, blue and the cream color right there. There is a card slot on this corner, and then this one is a flat zip pocket on the side, and then the patch crease. So pretty much like this is how it looks inside right there. It is pretty roomy though. So this purse is more likely large enough to put your daily needs. I could consider this as it could be your everyday bag, because this could fit a ton of things. So that is a little bit of an overview on this Ergo bag. I know that Ergo also come with a large one, but that one is gigantic. This one, it just fits perfectly on your shoulder, and this one is very, very flattering. So I have actually worn this quite a few times and I love it. So anyway, let me see what fits in this beauty. So I have a mini pochette. I guess you guys are all familiar with the mini pochette. So let's see. This is from Louis Vuitton. Let's see if this one would fit inside. It fits perfectly with no problems at all. Next, we have our phone. So let me just use the bigger phone that I have here. Fits right there. So what else do we need? We need sunglasses. Got the sunglasses case. We need a key holder. Also the lotion, the hand cream. Let me just fill this one. Okay, I have the perfume right here. I have the mirror. I have the lipstick. I have the AirPods, I have the Mint, and then what else? Yeah, this is just pretty much what it could fit on this purse. It could fit a ton of things. And also, look at that. So let me just close this. Yeah, it is buttery soft. So as you guys could see right here in the corner, it's actually showing, it's actually bulging right here. That's I think that's normal. That's because this one is made up of a very soft gloved and leather, and that's just the nature of it because of how soft it is. But it's not that bad at all. But regardless, this one is such a really, really nice purse. Absolutely. I would highly recommend this to anybody, guys. So it could fit a lot of things. And then also, let me just take out some of the items here. Actually depends on what you are carrying, but all I know is it could fit a lot of things. So those are, see, a lot of stuff, everything. And let me see, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this Coach Nolita. And I think this one is very popular from Coach as well. So let me see if this one would fit. If anybody of you out there has this and wanted to put it in this purse for reference. Yeah, it fits perfectly and there's plenty of room inside. Too bad that the strap right here, this is not removable. So yeah, this is like, yeah, you could put all your cosmetics and stuff if you want to be organized. This one is perfect. But for the size comparison, just to give you an idea, so this is, yeah, the size comparison right there. So yeah, it would definitely gonna fit, and it would fit a ton of things. Also this one. So I think I got this around $200 including tax, and I know this one is priced a little over $300, and it's definitely worth it. I'm pretty sure that I could find use of this, a lot of uses on this piece. The craftsmanship on this beauty is amazing. Those beautiful hardware right there. I just love the simplicity of it. It is so elegant. The gloved and leather is amazing. Once again, Coach never failed me to impress with this beauty right here. Never failed with this beauty right here. Like, oh my gosh, I am still like looking at this stitching. It's the stitching is perfection on this piece. The color, the leather, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And I will highly recommend this Ergo tote bag. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.